A 2021 F150 short bed, regular cab. It's got the IHC 4.6 drop kit on it. Suspension's a little soft in the front and back. Those guys in their videos claim that you don't have to have a frame notch, but without the frame notch, it was rubbing on the axle was hitting the frame over and over, so I had to put an underbed notch on it. Then with the underbed notch, I felt it rub when I hit a hard bump on the highway. Oh, it also rubs in the front. As you can see, the front air dam is all chewed up. So the front air dam rubs on the highway every time you hit a bump. Two, kind of chewed up down here, but it was also rubbing on the highway. So I got up underneath the truck and looked, and the drive shaft was rubbing in two places. So here's the big factory aluminum drive shaft, and so I had to take it off and get a custom two-piece drive shaft made for it. So if you want to lower your truck, looks good, but beware, you need other stuff.